Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Open your Falcon Mathematics of grade 3. Let's complete our unit 2 arithmetic operations. Open page number 27. Last time we have done addition. Today we will start from subtraction. We are doing arithmetic operations. Open page number 27, exercise 4. Here we have to do subtract the following numbers. How we can subtract the numbers? Let's learn it. Students, to subtract, write greater number first and smaller number after them, because we cannot subtract the greater number from the smallest number. So we have to write the greater number first. We will learn subtraction by following the 4 steps. First step is we will arrange these numbers. See, these are horizontally written. We will write them first horizontally, then vertically, then we will solve it. A part 4782. Second is 329. This is the sign of subtraction. Mark units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then start. We have done step 1. We write the amounts vertically. Now start step 2. Step 2 is start subtraction from the unit side. As I told you first, in arithmetic operations, we write and read the amounts from the left to right, but when we operate the digits, we start from right side, unit side, then we will move to tens and so on, hundreds and thousands. Let's start. Now see, here we have 2 in units and 9. Subtract. अब आपने ऊपर वाली अमाउंट से नीचे वाली को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, नीचे वाली से ऊपर वाली को नहीं. 2 से 9 माइनस नहीं कर सकते, टेंस से बोरो करेंगे. बोरो 1 फ्रॉम टेंस, amount will come 12. Now we have 12, and in tenth side we remain with 7. I am drawing 12 lines. Now cut 9 lines from it. Count the remaining one. 1, 2 and 3. Write down 3 in answers. Now see, in tens we have 7. Subtract 2 from it, we will get 5. Write it in answer. Now move to hundreds. Subtract 3 from 7, answer will be 4. See, in thousands we have nothing to subtract, so we will remain with 4. Write 4 in answer. After subtracting 329 from 4782, we have 4453. With the same process, we will solve the remaining exercise. Let's do the next part, which is B. 3562 minus 681. Subtract it. Start from unit side. Subtract 1 from 2. Answer will be 1. Now subtract 6. Now subtract 8 from 6, which is not possible. So what we have to do now? We will borrow 1 from hundreds. फाइव से बारो करेंगे 6 की तरफ, इट विल बी डिजिट 16 नाउ, और 4 की जगह हमारे पास बाकी 5 की जगह हमारे पास बाकी 4 रह जाएगा. 5 को कट कर दें, ऊपर 4 मार्क कर लें, 16 में से 8 माइनस कर दें, 8 बाकी आ जाएगा. नाउ 4 में से 6 माइनस नहीं कर सकते, अगेन टेक अ बोरो फ्रॉम 3, 13 4 को 14 काउंट करें और 14 में से 6 माइनस कर दें. Answer will be 8. Now think carefully and look. अब हमारे पास 3 नहीं, इधर 2 है, बिकॉज इसमें से हमने 1 डिजिट बारो कर लिया था 6 को माइनस करने के लिए. सो और 2 में से माइनस करने के लिए थाउजेंड्स में कुछ नहीं, 2 एज इट इज़ रिमेनिंग आंसर में लिख देंगे. व्हेन वी subtract 681 from 3562, we have remaining 2881 in answer box. Let's do some more questions for practice. To learn subtraction, I am writing the E part, which is 6432 minus 4575. Mark units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now solve. Start from unit side. We have small digit in unit to subtract the great number, so we will go to second step, which is take a borrow from the next digit. Cut the 3, write here 2 and take a borrow from it. Now unit side is greater, we have 12 in units. Subtract 5 from 12, we will get 7 in answer. Now look, we have 2 in tens and 7 to subtract from 2. We cannot subtract 7 from 2, so we will take 1 as borrow from hundreds. We have 4 in hundreds, cut it and write 3 remaining. Now subtract 7 from 12. We will get 5 in tens. After subtraction, now move to hundreds. We have 3 in hundreds and we have to subtract 5 from 3. We cannot subtract 500 from 300. So we will take a borrow from thousands. We have 6 thousands. After borrow one digit, this will be remain as 5000. Now we can easily subtract 500 from 1300. When we subtract 500 from 1300, we will get 800 as remaining. Now move to thousands. We have 5 in thousands and we have to subtract 4 from 5000. When we subtract 4000 from 5000, we will get 1000 as remaining with us. Now see, we have 1857 after subtracting 4575 from 6432. Students, with the same process, you can subtract the whole exercise. Now let's move to next topic, which is multiplication. Turn page 29 and see here you have tables. What is multiplication? Multiplication is same as repeated addition. When you add numbers again and again, it is called multiplication. Adding a digit many times is multiplication. You have tables, you have to learn before solving the exercise. Let's learn it. Read after me. See, here we have 2. This sign is called time and multiplication. 2 times 1 is 2. It means we have one object 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Same as 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. And 2 times 10 is 20. Practice this table and learn it. Let's read now 3 time table or table of 3. Read after me as I read. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. Then 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. Next table is 4 time table. Read it as I read and learn it. Then we will start multiplication. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 6 is 24, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 8 is 32, 4 times 9 is 36, 4 times 10 is 40. Understand, students? These 3 tables you have to learn by heart. Then you can solve multiplication easily. Turn to page 31 and let's do exercise regarding multiplication. Open exercise 6. Let's read the statement. Choose the tables to answer the following questions. Here you have some questions. टेबल स्टाइल में इनको आपने सॉल्व करना है. लेट्स सॉल्व इट. जिस तरह अभी हमने टेबल पढ़े उसी तरह आपने ये क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने हैं. 3 का टेबल अभी आपने पढ़ा. 3 टाइम 6 और 6 टाइम 3 सेम आंसर है. जिस तरह ऊपर से नीचे प्लस करें या नीचे से ऊपर प्लस करें सेम आंसर आता है. इसी तरह मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आप बोथ नंबर्स को चाहे राइट टू लेफ़्ट मल्टीप्लाई करो और लेफ़्ट टू राइट मल्टीप्लाई करो, आंसर विल बी सेम. 6 टाइम 3 इज़ 18. 4 टाइम 9 और 9 टाइम 4 36. 7 टाइम 5 is 35. 4 टाइम 4 is 16. Again 5 टाइम 7 is 35. Just by following the table you can write easily. 9 टाइम 10 is 90. 2 टाइम 8 और 8 टाइम 2 is 16. 7 टाइम 7 is 49. 6 टाइम 9 is 54. 9 टाइम 5 is 9 टाइम 5 is 45. 3 टाइम 2 is 6. 4 टाइम 7 is 28. Next is 10 times 7 70. 2 times 9 is 18. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 9 is 72. 6 times 7 is 63. 8 times 5 is 40. And that's it. We have complete our exercise 6. Now let's see and solve the exercise 7, which is arrange the following numbers vertically and multiply. Now we will follow the 3 steps. First we will arrange them, then first step is arrange them vertically. Second is start from unit side. Start from right side. First multiply 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. After then move to tens and multiply 2 by 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And with the same process solve all the questions. Multiply one digit first and second after them. 3 times 1 is 3. Again 3 times 1 is 3. Students, when we write or read a number, we start from left side, and when we solve it, we start from right side. Read the table of 2 till 4, or read the table of 4 by 2. 4 times 2 is 8, or 2 times 4 is 8. For better understanding, see, we have 4 and 2. Add 4 plus 4. It means we write 4 in 2 times. Now count both 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count this pair of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 2 times 4 is 8. So multiplication is adding the numbers again and again. Now read the table of 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Next question. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Next E part. 2 times 3 is 6. Again 2 times 3 is 6. Move to next part. First multiply 2 with 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Then multiply 1 with 3 or 3 with 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Now in the G part, first multiply 3 with 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then multiply 2 and 3. It is 6. In the H part, 2 times 3 is 6 and 4 times 2 is 8. Let's solve I. Multiply 2 and 3 first, which is 6. Then 1 and 3, it will be 3. Now multiply 2 and 3 again. 6. 1 and 2, 2. We have solved J part. Next do next K. Multiply 2 and 3 first. 6. Then 3 and 3, 9. In the L part, multiply 3 and 3 first. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So simple. Students, we have complete our exercise 7 and 6 on page number 31. Let's move to next page and next topic, which is division. Open page number 34. See, here is division. This is a symbol of division. It is straight line and up and down 2 dots. As I told you, multiplication is same as repeated addition and division is same as repeated subtraction. Division means divide, numbers को subtract करते जाएं, और multiplication numbers को add करते जाएं. More time addition means multiplication, more time division means more time subtraction means division. Let's do exercise 11. First question, divide 90 in nines. We have to divide 90 in nines, means read the table of 9 till we get 90. So 9 10 times is 90. We get it fully. Answer is 10. A result obtained by adding one quantity or number by dividing a number with other number is called quotient. So it is our quotient. Let's solve the next. 8. Read the table of 2 or table of 8. 8 2 times is 16. 2 is quotient. And our answer. Let's solve the next C part. 24 is divided in threes. Three 8 times is 24. Here 8 is our quotient. Let's move to D part, where we have to divide 36 in 6. 36 is divided in 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And see here, 6 is our quotient or answer. Let's see in E part of exercise 11. 28 is divided in sevens. It means we have 28 objects and we have to divide it in sevens. What will be the quotient? 7 4 time is 28. इट मीन्स 4 ऑब्जेक्ट्स के 7 पेयर बनाएंगे, 28 ऑब्जेक्ट्स इक्वली डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. Let's solve the F part. 5 8 time is 40. 8 is our question. G part. Now see, you have a greater number. How you can solve this now? In addition, subtraction and multiplication, we start from unit side, right side, but in division we will start from left side. First solve, divide 6 in 3s. Read the table of 3. You get 6 or less than 6. 3 2 time 6. Now in second step, shift 9 down the arrow and now solve 9. Divide 9 in 3s. 3 time 3 is 9. Solve digits one by one. If you have greater number, you cannot read the table easily. Divide numbers by one digit. We get 23 as quotient. With the same process, we will solve our H part. Start from the left side, so 9. First divide 9 in 7s, after then solve 1. Read the table of 7, you get 9 or less than 9, which is 7 itself. 7 one time is 7. Now subtract 7 from 9, you will get 2. We cannot divide 2 in 7s, so remaining 1, shift it down here. Now read the table of 7 till you get 21 or less than 21. Seven 3 time is 21. So 91 is divided in 7 and we get 13 as our quotient. Let's do next remaining parts of exercise 11. Divide 84 in 3s with the same procedure. First divide 8, then 4. Read the table of 3 till you get 8 or less than 8. 3 2 time is 6. Second step is subtract 6 from 8. You will get 2 in answer. Write it here. Then put 4 down the line. Now you have 24 to divide in 3s. Read the table of 3 till you get 24 or less than 24. 3 times 8 is 24. It is fully divided. So we divide 84 in 3s 28 times. 28 is our quotient or our answer. Next, J part. 4 one time is 4. Subtract it, you will get 2, and then 4 को नीचे. Now read the table of 4 till you get 24. 6 times 4 is 24. We divided 64 in 4s in 16 quotient. Let's solve K part of exercise 11, which is 38 divided in 2s. Solve the single digit first, which is 3. 2 one time is 2, because we have a greater number, so we will divide the single digit first. Now subtract it, you will get 1 in answer. Now answer 1 is smaller than 2, so you cannot divide 1 in 2s. Place this 8 down here. Now you have 18 to divide in 2s. Read the table of 2 till you get 18. 2 9 times is 18. So we have divided 38 in 2s with 19 quotient. Next is L part 78 divided in 6. Divide single digit first, which is 7. Read the table, you get 7 or less than 7. 6 one time is 6, which is less than 7. We cannot write the greater number here because we have to subtract the digit, and as I told you, we cannot subtract this greater number from the smaller. So write small number and now subtract. 7, shift 8 down here. You have 18 to subtract, you have 18 to divide in 6. Now read the table of 6 to divide. 6 3 times is 18. We get 13 quotient after dividing 78 in 6. Students, exercise, we have complete our exercise 11 and first term syllabus. Practice both chapters well. Arithmetic operations, we done addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Practice it well and take care. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।